Hi, my name is Satish Alvati, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. In this lecture, we discuss about gas power plants. In second unit, we learn two power plants. One is diesel power plant, second one is gas power plant. In previous lectures, we discussed about diesel power plant. Now we discuss about gas power plant. The lecture is introduction about gas turbines. Gas turbines invented in 1930 by Frank Whittle. He got patent in 1934. And gas turbines first used for aircraft propulsion in 1942. And these gas turbines used in Second World War in aircraft propulsion. Currently most of the aircrafts and ships used gas turbine engines, and similarly you can use power generation purpose also. This is the principle of operation of gas turbines. The having main parts are compressor, combustion chamber, turbine. An intake, when compressor is rotated, the air is enter into compressor and it is compressed, then sent to the combustion chamber. In the combustion chamber, fuel is supplied from the fuel tank and it is sprayed into the combustion chamber. The air and fuel is ignited and it is finally it releases the heat energy. That heat energy is hit the turbine. This is the process involved in gas turbines. In gas power plant, working on Brayton cycle. Now let us discuss about Brayton cycle. In Brayton cycle, having four process, and see the diagram in video. Temperature versus entropy diagram and pressure versus volume diagram. Let us discuss four process. One is first 1 to 2 is isentropic compression. In this process, the air is compressed isentropically and pressure is increased from T1 to P2. Temperature also increased from T1 to T2. And second process is constant pressure heat addition process. In this process, heat is supplied and temperature increased from T2 to T3. Pressure is remains constant. And third process is isentropic expansion. In this process, the hot air is expanded in gas turbine. The process is isentropically. In this process, entropy remains constant. So S3 is equal to S4 and temperature gradually decreased from T3 to T4. Pressure also gradually decreased from P3 to P4. And come to the fourth process, that is constant pressure heat rejection process. In this process, heat is rejected at a constant pressure and pressure is remains constant. P4 is equal to P1 and temperature gradually decreases from T4 to T1. This is the process involved in Brayton cycle, and we have to know the thermodynamic analysis. You have to find out the efficiency of Brayton cycle. Let us discuss. First of all, you have to calculate the efficiency of the compressor. Compressor efficiency is equal to work input required in isentropic compression by actual work required. You have to calculate the efficiency of compression, the ratio between work input required in isentropic compression to actual work required. That is equal to efficiency of compressor equal to T2 minus T1 divided by T2 dash minus T1. T2 dash is the actual process. Now you have to calculate efficiency of the turbine. In efficiency of turbine, it is ratio between actual work output to isentropic work output. Efficiency of the turbine is equal to T3 minus T4 dash divided by T3 minus T4. Then efficiency is equal to work done by heat addition, output to input, ratio between output to input. Output is the work done, input is the heat addition. Efficiency is equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. Okay, this is the calculate the efficiency of the Brayton cycle and what are the process involved in Brayton cycle. Now, what are the main advantages and disadvantages of gas turbines? Main advantage is the mechanical efficiency is more compared to the IC engines. The mechanical efficiency of gas turbines efficiency is more as compared to the IC engines. That is the one of the advantages, and it occupies less space and low installation cost, and maintenance cost also will be low, and less vibrations due to perfect balancing. These are the main advantages, and disadvantages are for the same output, gas turbine produces 5 times exhaust gases than IC engine, poor thermal efficiency as compared to the remaining engines, and special metal and alloys are required for different components of the plant. These are the disadvantages. In this lecture, we know Brayton cycle and what are the advantages and disadvantages of gas turbine. Thank you so much.